Most Google Sheets users know the obvious shortcuts like Control-C and Control-V, but there are a handful of incredibly useful ones that only a few actually know. Some of these will save you time, and others will completely change how you work. So without further ado, let's take a look. First, if you're working with a large spreadsheet and scroll away from the active cell, but then you're struggling to go back and find it, just use Control Backspace and you'll jump straight to the active cell. And if you want to quickly get back to the top of the worksheet itself, then just use Control Home and you're back to the top instantly. Speaking of scrolling, one of the biggest time savers for me is not only being able to quickly scroll up and down, but also left and right without having to use the scroll bar. You just need to hold Shift to scroll horizontally instead of vertically. Let go to scroll normally and hold Shift to scroll sideways. It's a really simple shortcut, but it's also a big time saver. Here's another shortcut that blew my mind when I first discovered it. Instead of freezing cells by going to View, Freeze, and selecting the option here, you can just move your mouse over the gray line you see here until you get the hand icon. Then click and drag to freeze the rows that you want. And you can also do this with columns too. Mouse over the gray line until you see the hand, then click and drag. It's so much faster than selecting a specific cell and having to go to View, Freeze, and selecting the right option. Now, this next shortcut is something I use every single day. Instead of using the fill handle to copy a formula down or across, I find it so much easier to use Control-D to copy down and Control-R to copy across. It keeps my hands on the keyboard, which always saves me time, and you can use this to copy values too. For example, sometimes when you try to copy a value like a date using the fill handle, you get sequential dates instead of the same date. But if you use Control-D, it will copy the value just as it is. And you can use Control-D to copy the formula or value from one cell above without selecting anything at all. So Control-D for down and Control-R for right or across. Another big time saver is quickly adding filters to my data and removing them when I'm done. Instead of going to Data, Create a Filter, just press Alt-D and then F. Alt-D opens the data menu and F applies the filter. Then filter as you wish, and when you're done, you can remove it with the exact same shortcut, Alt-D and then F. Now, this next one is a game changer for really long formulas. If your formula is super long, it can be really hard to read, but if you separate it out in different lines, it becomes a lot more manageable. To add new lines, use Alt-Enter, and if your cursor is in the formula bar, you can expand it with Control down and shrink it with Control up. This makes it easier to write formulas that are more organized and readable. Talking about formulas, you may already know that pressing F4 can add dollar signs to a reference to make it absolute. But there's even more to F4 than just that. It can also be used to repeat specific actions. For instance, if you add a specific fill color to a group of cells like this, and you want to add that same color to other cells right after, then just press F4 to apply the same action again. It saves you from repeating the same series of clicks time after time. Now, here's a big one that will save you the frustration of frantically clicking through the menus just to find that one command that you can't seem to find. Press Alt// and type in what you're searching for to find the command instantly. It'll save you the time and stress that comes from looking for commands that seemingly can't be found. Now, what if you can't remember a specific shortcut, or you're not really sure if one exists for what you want to do? Just press Control/ and you can search through most of the shortcuts that exist in Google Sheets. For example, if I want the shortcut for moving between sheets, I can search for that and bam, the shortcut's right there. And if you want to learn more and keep improving your Google Sheets proficiency, then hit that subscribe button and check out my latest video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.